let's read these pronouns.
You, he, she, eat, we, you, today.
Very good job. Now let's say this word again. Can you say this again?
Yes.
Say the word again. Mondd újra ezt a szót.
We.
Do you remember this letter? What letter is this?
The W.
It's W. What sound does it make? Milyen hangot mond? What sound does it make? W. So can you say this again?
We.
Ah, very good. Nice. We. Well done. Here you had the numbers from 1 to 10. And you did this correctly. Helyesen oldottál meg mindent itten. Nagyon ügyes voltál. Now let's see. Are you ready?
Yes.
Now, what number can you see here? What number can you see?
I can see 9.
Aha, very good answer. Nagyon jól válaszoltál. So what is the first letter?
N.
N?
N.
N. Good. What comes next? Listen. 9. 9. 9, I. What letter comes here, Vanessa? Here.
E.
Let's try E. We have an E at the end. But what comes here? Here. 9.
A.
I'll try. Look. Look. So, what letter is this?
A.
A. What letter is this?
E.
E. What letter is this?
I.
I. 9. I. What is the number?
1.
Now let's spell the word. Say the letters.
W.
I'll try. There's no W. We lost a Luffy. We lost a balloon. Elment egy Luffink.
O.
Let's see. Yeah, very good job.
N.
Let's see. Nice, and there's one more letter. Még csak egy betű hiányzik.
E.
Let's see. Well done, Vanessa. Very good job. Now let's see if you remember the words for the letter B. Say the words.
B says b. Boat.
Boat. Boat.
Boat.
And?
Butterfly.
Oh, very good. Now let's see the next one.
C says crab.
And?
Caterpillar.
Very good work. Nice. Now here we have a song.
Listen and chant.
Butterfly. Boat. A butterfly in a boat. Crab. Caterpillar. A crab and a caterpillar.
Okay. Now, listen, Vanessa. Where is the butterfly?
Butterfly is a boat.
Please say this again. The
butterfly is in the boat.
What color is the crab?
It's
What color is the crab?
it's yellow. Orange.
Okay, it's orange. And what color is the caterpillar?
It's green.
Green. Here we have the letters B and C. Let's circle the good one and say the word, okay? What is the first picture? What is it?
It's a butterfly.
Very good. What is the second picture?
It's a crab.
Nice. It's a crab. And what is the third picture?
It's a caterpillar.
Very nice. It's a caterpillar. And the fourth one?
It's a boat.
Very good job. Let's learn more words with the letter A. What letter is this, Vanessa?
A.
A. What sound does it make? Milyen hangot mond az A betű? A says?
A says A.
Very good. Please say the words.
Cat.
Cat. Well done. Let's listen. Let's listen.
Hat.
Hat.
Hat. Very good listening. Hat.
Rat.
Rat. Do you like cats or rats, Vanessa?
Cat. I like cat.
Cats.
Cats.
I don't
don't like rat.
rat.
Rat. I like cats. I don't like rat.
Very good. Nézzük csak, hogy melyik szó tartalmazza ezt az hangot. Which words contain the sound? Let's look at the first one. What is the first one?
Cat.
Can you type cat? Type cat. Még emlékszel, hogy hogy is használd a...
Igen.
Very good. Cat. Nice. Does it have the sound?
Yes.
Yes. Let's say yes, it does.
Yes, it does.
Let's look at picture number 2. We have hat. We have rat. Now bat. Keep trying. Bat. Well done, well done. Now let's see. What is this? Number 3?
Cat.
Does it have the sound?
Yes.
Yes. It
Yes, it
does.
does.
Can you write hat? What is number 4? What do you think?
Dog.
Let's see.
Dog.
Can you write dog? The dog. Oh, very good job. Awesome. Let's see the next one.
Rat.
Rat. Please type rat as well. Nice. Let's listen. Listen.
Fat.
Fat. Can you type the word fat? Fat. Cat. Hat. Rat. Bat. Fat. Wow, very good work. Let's spin the wheel.
9.
9?
Yes.
Okay, now let's make a sentence. What can you see?
I can see 9 pencil.
1 pencil? 9.
I can see 9 pencils.
Very good. Now, let's spin the wheel again. What is the number for this picture? What can you see?
I can see 4 pigs.
Very good job.